So, welcome to Cook with Appu. Today, we are making atta biscuits at home, or you can even call it cookies. So, it's just a very simple recipe to make such a good biscuits out of it. You can make it at home without any cookie cutter or without oven, also. So, let's start making it and hope you like, share, and subscribe to Cook with Appu. So, let's see the ingredients. So ingredients for the homemade biscuit are, we have taken 1 whole cup of wheat flour, that is almost 150 grams, half cup of maida, or you can take chickpea flour also, but I will suggest you to take maida, which will make the biscuit softer. We have taken 1 cup of wheat flour, half cup of all purpose flour, half cup of powdered sugar, salt 4 pinches, you can take according to your taste, milk just 2 or 3 spoons, then clarified butter, you can use butter also, but it should not be melted fully, and some almonds for garnishing. So let's start making the homemade biscuits. So we have taken almost 1/4 cup of clarified butter, or half cup also you can take, and we'll add slowly the powdered sugar till it's creamy. We'll just beat it, or else with a spoon also you can just do it. Let's mix it till it is creamy. So as you can see now, the ghee and the powdered sugar is mixed very well, the clarified butter. You can use butter also, but make sure that it's not fully melted. That's why it will get like this only. Then we'll add the dry mixture to it and again mix it till it's a dough. And don't add water or milk while kneading the dough, because that will not last for long. So let's mix the dry ingredients. So you can see we have added the dry ingredients to it. Now we'll slowly knead it. And as I told you, remember that we don't have to add milk or water. You can add some more clarified butter, which we had kept it aside. We had not taken full, and or you can add some oil, and we'll knead it fully. It should be a crumble mixture. So let's do it. So this is the dough. You can see it's in the crumbling form. This is the real dough. We have to make it like this. You can add some oil if you want, but remember, if you are adding water or milk, you have to consume it within 2 days. So I am not added anything, and I am not adding baking soda and baking powder. So it's a very easy recipe. You should all try it. So now let's take the dough out and let's make the biscuits. So you can see, as I showed you earlier, the dough is ready. It's soft enough. So we have taken a spoon. We'll just take equal portions of it on the hand. You can take a smaller spoon, and now we'll give it a shape. I would like to give it a square shape. Then I'll cut the sides, because we don't want the thick sides. You can give any shapes. You even get the cookie cutters in the market. So let's give the shapes to all the biscuits, and let's do it. Now I've taken the ball of a dough. Now I'll just make a square shape, and I'll cut the sides. As you can see, the thick sides is been removed. We'll use it for the next biscuit. Then we'll place a almond, which I told we'll use for garnishing. And remember, if you like the taste of cardamom, you can add cardamom powder to the dough. You can see I've made almost 7 to 8 of these biscuits. We'll just continue making it. You can make any shape. You get even cookie cutters in the shop, so you can use that also. So now you can see I've taken for the first strip 8 biscuits. You can see I have taken in square shapes. Now we'll take a bowl. In that we'll add some milk, and we'll just mix it with 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. After mixing it with powdered sugar, we will take a cotton and just take in the milk, and we'll just put on the biscuit, which will keep it soft and it will give a nice color. We are just putting from outside, we have not put milk in dough, remember that. And as I told you before, you in the dough you can add cashew nut powdered or even cardamom powder for the taste, but I have made with normal ingredients. You can see I've brushed it with milk and sugar. Now I'll place it in the baking tray which I've kept in a kadhai, because I'm not making in oven. As you can see, I've placed a steel plate. Over that I've placed the butter paper, but I didn't have the butter paper, so you can take a A4 sheet or plain copy sheet and just grease it with butter or oil, so it will become like butter paper. And below this I've kept a stand and salt like you do for the baking, and then we'll place these biscuits on it and cover with a lid and keep on medium flame for at least 20 to 25 minutes. As you can see, I've rolled out the left out dough to show another design. You can take a small cap and you can make circle biscuits also with it. This is a much easier way. You can see it gives you perfect circle shapes, and then we can with a fork make a design. So as you can see, this is by the second method. I've made lines with the fork, so you can also make it, and I'll make some in the microwave oven also, so I'll show you the steps. So now it's almost 18 to 20 minutes over. We'll just remove the lid and see our biscuits. You can see still they are cooking, so we'll leave it for another 5 minutes or 6 minutes and check afterwards. The salt and the stand style we have made in that. This is that, and this we made in the microwave oven. We kept it for 4 minutes in the microwave oven in normal cooking mode, and let's see how crunchy it is. So this is the microwave one which we made in microwave by keeping it for 3.5 minutes. Let us break and see. You can see it's so crunchy, and inside also it's cooked well. I'll show you. See, it's cooked nicely. And this is the this is that one which we made in the gas, that is on the stove. You can see this is also crunchy and inside cooked well. So this was our recipe for biscuits without any oven or preheating oven. You can just make it at home by using your normal kadhai or utensil in which you make. You can make it easily in this lockdown. So please like, share, subscribe to Cook with Appu, comment down your suggestions, and let's see you at next video. Take care. Thank you.